If you need a solid link building and guest posting service, Rankifyer.com is the way to go. I know many of you have been struggling to find reliable and effective ways to build high-quality backlinks for your websites. Trust me, I've been there too. But let me tell you, Rankifyer has completely changed the game. They make the process of purchasing backlinks from top authority publishers as seamless as possible. You can check out their prices and services over at Rankifyer.com. One of the key things that sets Rankifyer apart from the competition is their commitment to quality. They avoid SEO hack techniques at all costs. They don't build links on fake websites or engage in any nonsense. It's all about real authority and building brands. You can be confident that the links they provide will have a positive impact on your website's rankings. Another awesome feature of Rankifyer is their ability to tailor their services to your niche. They specialize in finding sites that align perfectly with your industry, ensuring optimal SEO relevance. This means that the links you acquire will not only boost your website's authority, but they will also be highly relevant to your target audience. It's a win-win situation. Now here's something that really impressed me about Rankifyer. They only offer genuine authority websites with actual traffic. No shady links or low-quality websites that could harm your SEO efforts. With Rankifyer, you can trust that you're getting links from reliable sources that will provide real SEO benefits. Now we all know that things can change in the SEO world. Sometimes links get removed for various reasons, but with Rankifyer you don't need to worry. They have a fantastic replacement guarantee. In the event that any of the links they provide are removed, they promise either a refund or a suitable replacement. That's the kind of assurance we all need. Let's talk about the content side of things. Rankifyer has a team of talented writers who are all native English speakers with academic backgrounds. That means you'll never receive skewed content or poorly written articles. The quality of the articles they create is top-notch, and that reflects positively on your brand and website. Oh, and did I mention that Rankifyer carefully analyzes the SEO metrics of the publisher sites they work with? They want to ensure that the sites they choose are not negatively perceived by Google. This attention to detail gives you peace of mind, knowing that your website's SEO efforts are in safe hands. So how does Rankifyer work? It's simple. First, you place your order by picking a package that suits your needs and budget. Then, Rankifyer takes care of the outreach and writing processes. They write a high-quality article and reach out to publishers to get it accepted for publication. And before you know it, your article, along with your valuable link, is published on a high-authority website. It's as easy as that. If you're looking for a reliable and effective link building and guest posting service, I highly recommend giving Rankifyer a try. Remember, building high-quality backlinks is essential for ranking your website, and Rankifyer can make that process a breeze.